Hi, I just heard some of you are trying to figure out how to link your classes with Zoom using the new feature. So I'm just going to show you real quick what I do. It's a little workaround, but hey, it works. So what you need to do is go to Zoom in your course that you want to share it with. It's loading up slowly. Go to schedule a new meeting. And the one difference, obviously, add every single thing you need. I'm going to change this date so that it's really far out so it doesn't confuse students. Make sure all those timings are set, and when you do, make sure you select use personal meeting ID. That uses your personal room. Click on save. Go into your other section, do the exact same thing. And what that's going to do is that's going to send all the students into this same room. It'll automatically put it on your calendar as well. The one little workaround is, one little problem with it is while it will be putting them all onto the calendar and it will be putting them all in the room, anybody who has your personal meeting ID can pop into the room. So if you've given it to your mom or your dog, they can actually click on there as well. Or what usually happens is a student from a different class will pop in, just say, sorry, you're early, you're late, we'll talk to you in a little bit. So that will actually allow you to have all of those sections linked. The one thing you won't get is you will not get a embedded right in. If you've noticed within Zoom, you do get that cloud recording the students can click on. You're not going to get the cloud recording within the course that you access later. What I do as a solution is I go in and after the meeting, if I have recorded it, I then just simply go to the meeting. For instance, this one I had last night, click on that particular meeting. All right, it's bouncing around. And edit that event. As you see here, we click on mind and body, click on edit, and then just go to more options. And right when you go to more options, it gives you a bigger window where you can cut and paste anything you want. There we go. Just a little slow today. So what I do is I cut and paste, did you miss the meeting? And then I post a link to that actual website. In this case, I happen to have stored it onto YouTube. So I just cut and paste it right there. That way, if a student knows they missed the Tuesday meeting, they can go in and actually see it. So I hope that that really helps you guys as far as a little workaround to make sure that you can combine all those meetings. It's also good because sometimes you might want to separate out two classes. For instance, I have a 7 and a 15 week. I put them together because a lot of the assignments are the same, but now I've had to split them up into two different groups. Or if you have a lot of people turning up and it turns out to be a large unworkable group. So I hope that really helps as a little workaround to combine your classes, and good luck.